CloudsBrain is a multi-cloud management platform. SOTA Foundation usually preferred for storage by CloudsBrain users, since it is a fastest growing and most popular open source project. And, to make things easy, SOTA Foundation is now integrated with Brain-Click2Cloud's CloudsBrain platform with object, block and file storage in a single, and centrally managed unified platform. SOTA Foundation storage efficiently and automatically manages the petabytes of data, which is needed to run your business, so you don't have to agonize for your data storage. SOTA Foundation, which is integrated with CloudsBrain, solves the data mobility and data management challenges across the edge on frame to cloud, which helps to build strong open source ecosystem. With SOTA Foundation storage, you can avoid proprietary lock-in by building an open source based storage cluster that is accessible to a broad ecosystem using standard servers and disks. Enterprises face many challenges in the management and preservation of data. Data lifecycle with its customizable storage tiers, data center, and cloud can be the solution for this. SOTA provides a policy-based data lifecycle with an edge where first the data is sent to edge for computing, then data is moved to primary storage for big data, later on, data is moved to secondary storage for ML, and finally to archive storage. CloudsBrain Object Storage provides seamless migration, monitoring, and management services. User can perform operations like create bucket, delete bucket, upload object, download object, and delete object from single platform. With block storage, user can create snapshots. User can also use snapshots to back up the data, since volume lifecycle management using block storage management service of CloudsBrain utilizes device and perform operations on volume, snapshot backup to any S3 compatible cloud service. A true symbiotic relationship. SOTA Foundation sub-storage is fueled by the open source community for continuous innovation along with the support and integration of SOTA for enterprise production. For anyone deploying SOTA Foundation storage, provides a single unified platform solution is essential, elastic, economical, efficient, elegant and easy as modern workloads require a storage that scales out the way CloudsBrain storage does. CloudsBrain collaboration with SOTA Foundation storage not only helps in data management ecosystem build but also drive research and technologies. To learn more about integration of SOTA Foundation with Brain-Click2Cloud's CloudsBrain, visit www.click2cloud.net. Thank you.